I'm a model, photographer, producer, because I be out here giving you all these cute videos. Girl, look at that resume adding up. Hey you guys, Dijanae here again, back with a brand new video. In this video, I just want to show you guys, like, I guess a tutorial of how I'm going to recreate the Polaroid dress that I saw Saweetie have on Instagram. Now, I did want to create this dress when it first happened, but you know, insecurity, self-doubt, imposter syndrome talks me out of doing it. So I decided to finally stop being a punk and be the bad bitch that I am. And I'm going to try to show you guys how I'm doing it. I actually went ahead and purchased a couple of Polaroids because I actually do have a Polaroid camera. So we're going to see how this is going to go. So this is going to be like vlog style, okay? Vlog style. Now, I don't know if you guys ever noticed in my videos, but I always have this Polaroid camera right there in the background next to my degree. So I'm going to be using this camera, and yeah, we about to jump right into it. So yeah. Yeah, all right. I'm really excited. I'm excited because I'm just like, ooh, how's this gonna turn out? All right, so I bought 2 of these plastic table covers. I went to like Party City. They were like $150 each. This is like what it came in. And I just went and used my steamer to try to get out as many wrinkles as I can because it's plastic. And I used a tablecloth before and I had a lot of like wrinkles in there. But yeah, so I try to get out as many wrinkles as I can. But since I'm going to be using this backdrop for my Polaroid pictures, and like it really doesn't matter that much, I don't have to get too many wrinkles out. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys like what I was doing while I was doing it with the steamer or whatever the case may be. I moved downstairs because I felt like it'd be more room for me to like take pictures with the Polaroid. So yeah. All right, so I went and I had changed my clothes, and I'll link down below the 2 videos that actually helped me with recreating this dress. But I saw in the videos that they actually had 25 pictures, so I actually went all extra and got like 3 packs of these. It's like 16 each of like the film right there. But I know that you could use your regular camera and you could just like do it like that and go on Canva. Once again, I'll link down below who I watched those videos from. But yeah, so I have my Polaroid camera set up on a tripod. I have my light right here, and we just about to get into taking pictures real quick. Also, I forgot to show my camera. This is the camera right here, and I have my phone because I actually could hook it up with Bluetooth and I could do a self timer. So yeah, I told y'all this is a one-man thing, one-man band, her. Alright, so I wasn't like where I was supposed to be on the camera, and like look how this came out. But you see, like that's right there. So now I gotta redo it. I'm hurt. But I was serving you girls down. I was serving, okay? Alright, so it's the next day or whatever, and I have my pictures right here on the table, and I'll let you guys see how they came out. Okay, so these are how the pictures came out. I think they came out really, really good. I will be honest and let you guys know that my feelings are hurt that I have to destroy these, well not destroy, but like punch holes in these pictures. So in the videos that I had saw, they had a lot around like 25. I think I have like 26, so I should be fine. And I have some extra ones that I just was like, I wasn't feeling too much, but I'll put them like, not in the back, but like put them where they won't really be that noticeable. But y'all, these pictures are like really, really bomb. So when I looked at Saweetie's dress, she had like 4 going this way, 5 going down. I'm so sorry. I My third grade math teacher would be so mad at me for not knowing how to say that correctly. But yes, I'm gonna try to do that. So I'm gonna have like 4 or whatever. So I'm gonna try to make the dress right now. I'm actually using this. Damn. Do these little fruit flies be getting on your nerves too? Gosh, so rude. See, I'm gonna be using this little Eyelet Puncher. I'll link it down below, and I'll probably put a picture somewhere or whatever. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna actually punch these through it. So let's get into it. All right, so we're back, and I will be completely honest with you guys. I made my dress, and listen, if you do not want to use Polaroids, girl, don't. I promise I will link down below the video of the girl that I saw, and she didn't use Polaroids, because let me tell you something, sweetheart. This right here, like punching these in Polaroids, horrid. Like I got an arm workout from doing that. But yeah, yeah, so let me just show you guys the dress or whatever. So this is what the dress looks like. Yeah, the pictures came out so nice. The dress came out nice. Now, listen, sweetheart, I do be talking a lot, and I be talking a little too fast. So I may have said like 4 rows and 5 columns. Yes, I finally got it right. Anyway, so I used 25 pictures. I did 5 rows, 5 columns because I'm a little bit taller, and I wish I could really get a, well, you'll see in the picture, but I had to make it like 5 going across, 5 going down, so it could like sit up here on me, right, or whatever. When I sit on me, right, what am I talking about? So it could like sit on me and like go around, because if I would have did 4, it would have just went like this. So like I did, well, 4 rows. So I did 5 rows, so it could just like go like this, and I can get that look I'm looking for. I could probably like switch it and go like this, and then take a picture to the side or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm gonna use to like hold it together while I take pictures. So the last 2, well, the picture, the first row and the 5th row, they're like open spaces right there. So I'm just going to put this through so it can, you know, like hold it up for me or whatever. And yeah, I wish I could show you guys the filming of it, but I actually do have to use my camera to take the pictures of me. But yeah, once I'm done shooting, I'll come back and tell you guys how I really felt about making this project. Oh, but also, sweetheart, I put these rings right here on it. Let me see if I can get up close. Like I put rings to connect these 2 together. So I put rings to connect these, rings to connect this right here. So like going vertical and horizontal. And then I used a ring right here to just connect them together. So it's just nothing but rings, 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 rings. And I made sure to do them a certain way. I don't know if you could really tell on camera, but like I wanted, like if it was going in a row, I wanted it specifically to be like this. Or if it was going down in a column, just like this. Like I was very particular on how I wanted my rings to be. I really took my time doing this. I went and actually got my nails done. I wasn't going to get my nails done, but I had to get my nails done because I really damaged my nails by doing this. This is not for the weak girl. I almost gave up at least like 10 times. That's why I highly recommend, if you don't want to use real Polaroids, you do not have to. It is really hard to do this, and I've came to the conclusion that Polaroids is just meant to be cute pictures, okay? Polaroids are not meant to be put through the ringer like this. But girl, I already spent my money. I don't waste money in here, honey child. So yeah, I'm about to just change into this and take my pictures, and I'll come back and let you guys know. All right, y'all, so we are back into the regular spot that I normally record in. Now, I did my dress. I used the ribbon to hold the dress up against me, and I took my pictures, and yeah, I was not knowing how I was gonna feel about this, but the pictures actually came out absolutely stunning. I used Lightroom on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, whatever. I can't keep up with all of that. But yeah, so I used Lightroom with that, and the pictures came out so nice. But yeah, I have to say, like, doing this project really tested, like, it really was testing my patience. I said I felt like I wanted to quit at least like 10 times, but you know, now that I actually saw the end results of it, I'm actually really happy that I went through with it. The only word of advice that I have for you guys is please, when you are connecting these rings like this, please have a tool that will help you slide the ring onto the other ring, because it will break off your nails, it will cut your fingers, because that's what it did to me. Yeah, also when you're using the eyelet puncher to actually punch it in on these Polaroids right here, please be mindful of doing it and try not to hurt yourself. Well, not hurt yourself, but like try you have to, it's a lot. When you do it, you're gonna understand what I'm talking about, but please be careful while you're doing it. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and I ended up using a white background for my picture instead of the pink background, because when I was like putting this on me and then I saw the pink, like it just wasn't meshing well, so I just so happened to have a white tablecloth plastic one from Party City 2. I'll link that down below as well. And yeah, I just used that as my backdrop. Child, it was a lot going on. Okay. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about recreating this dress and this look, please let me know. I'll let you know in the comments down below. I did say that I use Lightroom to edit my pictures. I'll link everything down that I got from Amazon. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. I'm going to link my Instagram down below, and bye.